Let's talk about botted reviews on Amazon and Walmart. Hello everyone, it's Jay, and I discovered something very interesting that's been going on for quite some time, and that would be botted reviews on major retailer websites like Walmart or Amazon. And the reason why I want to talk about this is because we're all purchasers, we all buy products online, and if we're buying products online, then we want to have truthful reviews. We want to have a support system so that way we can purchase that product that we are trying to buy. But whenever you have botted reviews on such website, it gives the customer just dissatisfaction with the product and they look elsewhere. And so I think Amazon and Walmart should really address this problem, because you're not going to make money if you have botted reviews all the time on such products. And for the most part, Amazon's algorithm is pretty good at catching fake reviews and basically knocking off that product down to the bottom tier lists of whenever you're searching for like a couch or like a plant or something. It basically knocks that one down to the lowest tier and you will not really be able to see it. But with websites like Walmart, I came across a lot of botted reviews, and what I was looking for was sofas or couches, I guess. And whenever I was looking, because I've been looking, I mean, my couch is looking pretty distasteful these days, and so I've been trying to look for one. Whenever I was looking, I came across some really fake reviews, and I can't see myself purchasing this product if I can't trust the reviews that I'm looking at. But being an average consumer like myself, I was searching the web for some couches or sofas, I should say, because anytime you look up a couch online, it's defined as a freaking sofa, which makes no sense because we call it a freaking couch. But what do I know? What do I know? I'm just some random YouTuber on the internet talking a whole bunch of bullshit. So I was, searching the web for a couch instead of going to major retailers like Ashley's Furniture Home Store or Furniture Row or Big Lots, because I don't want to pay those really expensive prices that these pieces of furniture are for no apparent reason other than like it's a couch. I guess it would last forever. I don't know. I guess that's why it's so expensive. I don't get it. How come a couch is more expensive than a bed these days? Like, what? We sleep on the bed more than we sleep on the couch. Are we sleeping on the couch now? Is that what we're doing? Because I don't get it. I don't get it. Like, a couch is like $5,000. Why? We're only gonna sit on it for like 8 hours. Moving on from my tangent about couches and why they're so expensive, I was browsing the web like an average person, as I say this yet again, and whenever I was looking at Walmart's website, and I came across a few hitters that I might be interested in buying and not spending a fortune on. And so I was constantly looking at the dimensions and looking at the reviews of these products that I came across, like any normal person would do. On some of these products, I came across some fake reviews. And let me showcase these fake reviews. So on the sofa that I was looking at, it was a sectional and it is listed as $689. If anybody knows about sectionals are not that cheap. So that would be an automatic red flag. However, it was in my price point and it was in the specs that I wanted. And so I was kind of just like, I'll add it to my list. It may be something good to look at later. As you may have saw in the video previously, I do have a sectional and that thing was really expensive, but it is becoming distasteful, as in, it's just not something comfortable that I want to sit on anymore. So I've been looking for sofas in general, not just sectionals, but if I was going to get a sectional, I want it to be big enough to support like 6 people if I were to have a party at my house. And I'm getting off track on what I was talking about again. Let's continue on. This sectional is listed as a pretty decent price, pretty decent size, and it has 5 stars. Oh wait, it only has 7 reviews. So let's go to these reviews. And why is it rated 5.0? Oh, a lot of these are reviews from recently, I might add, and a lot of them are just very oddly done. What I have come across with these reviews, and not this one in general because it kind of looks real, it kind of looks fake. The name of the person is Silvestre, right? I can't tell if that is a real name or not. I mean, maybe it is a real name. We have Elon Musk naming his kid X, like all of his exes. For the most part, I can't tell if this review is real or not. What I've come across with these reviews on particular products is that a lot of them have fake names. A lot of them aren't even real names. That's something to be concerned about because we can't trust the reviews now on products that we are trying to buy and we are trying to give your company money. Now, Walmart itself won't go down under because it's such a big corporation. It's everywhere. It's basically a monopoly at this point, like Amazon. But Walmart does sell third-party companies, as in, like, this couch isn't actually Walmart's couch. This is somebody else's couch that became a verified user on Walmart and was able to post this thing up there, similar to Amazon. I didn't really explain that too well. If you're a retailer and you're selling products like couches or shoes or shirts, then you're able to post on Walmart's website. But Walmart in itself is just a big corporation for you to do that. Walmart is basically trying to be Amazon. Have you ever looked on Walmart's app lately and like they're selling cars now, new, used? Who the decided that? That's weird. I would be surprised if they started selling houses. Like, if they're already selling cars, then they're probably selling houses too, you know. But getting back to my point, Walmart hosts a lot of third-party retailers on its website. If you're botting reviews, we won't buy your products. We need actual reviews. And the reason why people are botting reviews on websites like Amazon and Walmart is to get ahead. If you're doing that, then we still won't buy your product. As a consumer, I won't buy your product because I'm being turned off by the review. It's not factual information. I want to see how long it lasts. I want to see if it lasts 5 to 10 years. Because with a purchase like a sofa or a couch, that is something that should last quite some time, just like a bed should. But the thing with me is I'm not going to purchase something within the $500 price range that has fake reviews. I'm just not going to do it. I think the average consumer would not do it either. You know, we really have to start thinking about stuff like this and how it's going to affect our day-to-day lives. With the rise of AI, supposedly the government may step in and fix the rise of AI, but with the rise of AI, we may not be able to purchase things online anymore, and that's going to affect major retailers because of like this. This is a problem with reviews. Let's move on to the next one. So this is just an ordinary sofa and I was gonna buy 2 of them. It has 56 reviews. It looks nice. It's a perfect size. It'd be something that I would have my homies chill on, maybe sleep on. You get into the reviews and you look at the reviews because I am crazy and I like to look at reviews. What do I have here? I have 49 reviews of just 5 stars. How could I trust this information? How can I trust this information? And I get it. It's not a lot of reviews. It's not something to really complain about because there's not a lot of reviews. Maybe this product is new, but if it's set at 5 stars for 49 reviews, that is a red flag to me that it is botted. This 2-star review right here that I'm looking at, it's saying that it's such a good couch, but it's rated at 2 stars. And the name is Edda Mommy Bean. Is that a real name? Are you a real consumer? Is that what you set your name as on Walmart's website? Still, like, this review is a 2-star review and it's saying how good the couch is. That right there is a red flag to me that reviews in general are being botted on major retailer websites. These corporations are so big that it doesn't, you know, they're not going to be affected. The third-party retailers that are listed on here will be affected and eventually just lose. Maybe these major corporations like Walmart and Amazon should have some type of rule set in place. Like Amazon does have a rule set in place that the algorithm will catch botted reviews and move the product down towards the bottom of the list. But maybe these major retailers should have something in place to benefit them even more and grab more money from us consumers, because that's what this is all about. That's why people are botting, because these people need money. Like if I go to Big Lots, I'm able to see like genuine reviews because it's not some major retailer. It's products that they sell all the time. And there are a few products where it has like 2 reviews and they're both 5 stars. So, you know, it's kind of hit or miss on their website. But with retailers like that, like Big Lots, for an example, I'm able to justify my purchase of spending $400 on a sofa or a couch, however you want to say it. So moving on to Amazon, I was still looking at sofas and couches because I'm not just going to shop in one place. I'm going to shop around to see what people's prices are, just like any average consumer would. Any average consumer would shop around to make sure that they're getting the best deal. I was shopping around at sofas, and what I came across is botted reviews again. And so I'm a little concerned still. I'm so concerned about how this is being treated. This sectional here, I really love. I love the design. I'm a little concerned about the height of the sectional. Like it says a verified purchase, verified consumer. And whenever we see these verified purchase or verified consumer on here, we trust them. We trust what they say. But are they actually factual? Really, you need to look at the name of the consumer that is buying it. Is it a real name? Is it a real person? Why do I have to do so much research into a sofa? Like it should be pretty point click, just something that I can buy right then and there, like it used to be on the internet. I mean, this has always been a thing. Bots have always been a thing. I mean, we had the Xbox Series consoles being botted. We had the PS5 consoles being botted. The console is 3 years into its life, and now Microsoft and Sony are saying that they want to drop a new console. So I'm a little concerned about that. How can we trust the review now? We have to do all this research. Is it real person? Is it actually a real purchase? Do you have photos? Why do we have to do all that? Why do we have to do all that? Maybe I'm thinking about it too much, but for me, I'm not going to waste $600, $700 on one sofa and then buy another one, and they both turn out to be a piece of. With the way inflation is going, should I really buy this couch if I can't really trust the review, is my thought process at this point. You really have to think about what you need and what you want at this point in time, because bots are becoming such a big problem and AI is becoming such a big problem. You may want to make sure that you're not just spending crazy amounts of money on products that aren't worth a damn. That's my major concern, and that's why this video is a thing, is because I want people to make sure that they are getting the quality of product that they are looking for. I still have not found a couch or sofa because of these reviews, and I'm a little concerned about that. Like, I may have to go to major retailers like Big Lots or Ashley's Furniture Home Store or Furniture Row, stuff like that, because I just can't trust these reviews at this point in time, which sucks because those stores have prices way higher than what I'm looking at, and maybe I don't need it right now. Just simple as that. Maybe I'm just not gonna buy one. That's gonna hurt the longevity of corporations, the longevity of consumerism. As of right now, people are already hurting. But these are the only 2 websites that I came across that really had this botting problem. Amazon really catches it. Like this sectional that I was just looking at was not really being flagged as a bot to my head. So like I said, Amazon is really good at catching shit like this. Their algorithm is pretty well built. On Walmart's website, if we are looking at a couch or just a plant, like a fake plant that nobody gives 2 shits about if it's in your home or not, they're full of fake reviews right now. Walmart has a botting problem with fake reviews, and it needs to be addressed. I'm just some small YouTuber online, basically all the time. I'm always online, and so this is just what I see whenever I'm online trying to buy some expensive product that I don't need. This will be the end of my video. I can't really list any other websites. Target does pretty well at catching bad reviews. Big Lots does pretty well at catching bad reviews. JCPenney's, stuff like that. Some other major retailers that we know and love that don't really have this botting problem. It's more or less just Amazon and Walmart that I came across that had this botting problem. But this will be the end of my video, like I said, and if you happen to like my content or anything that I talk about, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment down below on what you think, and I'm out.